Welcome to the Tech News Fix It channel, and we learned that Samsung is actually decided to do an event on January 14th, and it's as it says here, welcome to the Everyday Epic Galaxy Unpacked, and it is going to be live on Samsung.com. It'll be on January 14th, 2021. What we know is that they will be launching the Samsung Galaxy S21. Now, I own the S20, which is a pretty amazing phone, very fast and very powerful. So this is going to be the next Galaxy phone. It's interesting because, in 2020, because of the pandemic, smartphone sales were really down quite a lot. People just held on to their devices. So it impacted a lot the sales of smartphones. So we'll see how it goes this year with the new S21. We'll see also what is new in the S21, what's going to be the main features that maybe you want to have or not. So Galaxy S21, of course, with 5G and all of that, is coming up. And what we know and still think is that the Galaxy Note that's been often released in the summer or close to the summer is not going to happen this year. Apparently, they're kind of moving on and might actually never have a new Note again. They would apparently change their strategy and send or actually release foldable phones that would replace the famous Note that they usually have. So that's going to be interesting to see if it's a good strategy or not. But for now, the first event of the year for Samsung, and it's going to be, of course, with the release of the Samsung Galaxy S21. We'll be looking at this event, of course, watching it, and we will be talking about it and having some news about it here on the channel. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.